In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Mailchimp account, a task that is not only smart, but essential for protecting your valuable data. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone passionate about keeping your email list safe, this guide is for you. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate to the heart of today's task: backing up your data. Starting on the dashboard, you'll want to search for the Audience tab or section. This is where all your precious contacts and audience details reside. Your next stop is under the Contacts tab. Moving through these steps brings you closer to the goal of securing your data. Within the All Contacts area, keep an eye out for the option to Export Segment. This is the magic button that will allow you to back up your contacts. When you see it, click on it without hesitation. Choosing to export your audience is a proactive measure in safeguarding your data against unforeseen circumstances like technical glitches or account issues. Once you've clicked on Export Segments, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is Mailchimp's way of making sure you're committed to the export process. Go ahead and click on Confirm Export to seal the deal. At this point, and here's where a bit of patience is required, Mailchimp begins compiling your data into a downloadable file. Depending on the size of your audience, this process could take a few moments, so don't feel anxious if it doesn't happen immediately. Mailchimp will notify you once your data is ready for download. The file you receive will typically be in CSV format, which you can save to your computer or an external storage device for safekeeping. Before we wrap up, let's talk briefly about the importance of regular backups. Digital platforms, while incredibly reliable, aren't completely immune to issues. By routinely backing up your Mailchimp audience, you guarantee continuity for your business or personal projects, regardless of the hurdles you might encounter. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your Mailchimp experience. Regularly update your password and use strong, unique combinations to ensure maximum security. Take time to familiarize yourself with Mailchimp's other features, such as campaign management and analytics, which can really maximize the value of the platform for you. Lastly, consider setting reminders for yourself to back up your Mailchimp data periodically, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or at a frequency that aligns with your data volume needs. Staying consistent is key. In conclusion, backing up your Mailchimp account is a straightforward but crucial task. It safeguards your investment in building and nurturing your email audience, ensuring that your communications and marketing efforts can withstand any bumps along the road. I hope this guide has illuminated the process for you, demystified any uncertainties, and empowered you to take this important step. Remember, in the digital world, being proactive about data backup is not just wise, it's essential. Happy mailing and stay secure.